scamming anywhere. Money.
Thank you for calling online technical support. How may I help you?
Yeah, I got an error on my screen and there's like these words going all over my screen and it says to prevent data loss to call this phone number. I was wondering if you're able to just help my computer out here.
Can I have a customer ID?
I don't have a customer ID. It's telling me here to sign in with the username and password, but I don't know what this is. I've never seen this before.
Are you calling on the first time on that number?
I'm sorry, what?
Thank you for calling technical support. My name is Suzanne. How may I help you today?
Yes, I got my computer blocked and I was calling here to get unblocked, please.
Okay, can you tell me, sir, what exactly do you see on your computer screen? What is written on your screen?
Well, I got scared and closed it, but it said my computer was blocked and to call this number. And I said something about Facebook and my credit card, so I kind of got a little scared. But I wrote your number down real fast. Excuse me.
Oh, okay. Your computer is on right now, sir?
Yeah, I didn't turn it off. I closed the browser and I reopened it, and it...
Okay. Not an issue. I will be more than happy to help you out, sir. It seems that your computer got blocked due to some unsecured Trojan and malicious files, okay? We are here to help you out. You don't need to worry.
Okay.
You just follow my instructions so that we can quickly connect your computer to our rescue panel so that we can unblock your computer and can give you a proper solution. You just follow my instructions.
Okay.
You look on your keyboard, sir. On your keyboard, on the extreme left-hand side bottom corner, you see there is a CTRL key,
Yeah,
control key. Do you see that?
Is this going to take long? It's not going to take long? Hello?
Yes, sir. On your keyboard, on the extreme left-hand side bottom corner, you see there is a CTRL.
Yes.
Control key.
Yep. Control. I got.
Okay. Next to the CTRL key, can you tell me which key do you see?
It's a black key with four white squares that are kind of crooked.
Okay, correct. That is a Microsoft Windows logo key. So you press that Windows logo key with your one finger, hold it, don't release it, okay? And with another finger, press the letter R as in Romeo.
Ooh.
Press it together and release it together.
Oh, I gotta reach way over there. Okay, I got it. It says type the name
now,
of the program.
Do you see anything on your screen?
Yes, type.
Yes, correct. Now look at, yes, correct. That is a run box of your computer. So now look at the middle of that box. You see? And beside that open, there is a white rectangular space where you can type something.
Yes.
Is it blank or something is written over there?
The cursor's in it and is blinking. But there's no words in there.
If something is written, okay, you type over there, so you type over there in lowercase letter I as in indigo.
Okay. I got it.
Then letter E as in echo.
Okay.
Okay, now give a click on OK. You see at the bottom of that box there is a OK option. Give a click on that OK option.
Okay, I clicked it and it popped open something. It says
Yeah, what do you see now on your
view
screen?
downloads, supremocontrol.com.
Yes, correct. Now beside, yes, correct. Now look beside that, you see there is an option like run. Give a click on run.
Click on run, okay. It's running
Yes.
security.
Now after clicking on, yes, correct. This security scanning has been done for your computer, sir, so that we can securely connect your computer.
Okay.
As your computer is highly infected. Now what do you see on your screen?
It says, do you want to allow the following program to make changes to your computer?
Yes. Sir, click on yes, sir. The server is asking for your permission, so give a click on yes.
Okay, I did that. Oh, now it says, welcome to Supremo.
Now you will see a new page on your screen like welcome to Supremo.
Yep.
On the right hand side of that page, you see there is a accept option. Give a click on accept option. The server will generate an ID and a password for you.
Okay. Oh, it just popped in there.
Now,
Yep.
now what do you see?
It filled in the ID with some numbers and the password with some numbers.
Yes. Now you tell me the ID number, sir. Tell me the ID number.
Okay, the ID number is 441 155 346.
646. Okay. And you tell me the password, sir.
The password is 5723.
5723. Correct.
Correct.
Okay. I am repeating the ID number, sir, once again. Okay. You just confirm it to me.
Okay.
And don't touch your computer in this meanwhile. It's 441 155 364. Am I correct?
No, it's 346.
It's 346.
Yes.
346. Okay. And the password is 5723.
That is correct.
Okay. Now you do one thing, sir. You just grab a piece of a paper and a pen
Okay.
and write down this ID and this password. This is a technician ID and this technician password which was created for you to get you securely connected. Okay. This is a one-time ID and one-time password.
Okay. I got it written down.
And don't touch your computer.
All right. Okay. Oops, something popped up.
You have written it, sir?
I said something. Oh, is that you? Hello?
Yes. Now you don't touch your computer, okay?
Okay.
Now you're getting securely connected to the rescue panel.
Okay.
We will diagnose your computer and we will tell you, we will unblock your computer.
Okay, great.
So just be on the line. And this is the first time, sir, you are seeing that your computer got blocked.
Oh, yeah. I've never been blocked before.
Yes, I couldn't get you, sir.
Yeah, I said I'm sorry. Yes, this is the first time I've ever been blocked. Do you hear me? Hello? Am I getting unblocked?
And you are the only one, sir, to use this computer?
Yes. This mine, yes. Ooh, something's popping up.
Yes, don't touch your computer, okay? The technician who is going to work on your computer, he is just checking each and everything. So don't touch your computer.
Okay.
And do you see on your screen, sir, anything like Ammyy Admin v3.6 free? You see on your screen?
Yes, I do see that. I was wondering, what is that?
Yes. Yeah, this is a temporary protection, sir, which we have installed in your computer so that in the meanwhile, while we are working on your computer doesn't get infected anymore. And
Okay.
and tell me, sir, do you have you seen anything unusual in past few weeks, like any kind of advertisement on your computer?
Well, I was on the internet.
You have accidentally clicked on that link. Do you remember?
I don't think, well, I don't know. I was on YouTube and stuff like that. I don't know. I might have clicked one of the ads by mistake, but I didn't see anything popped up till this message said,
Yes.
until the message said it was my computer had been blocked.
No?
I mean, I might have accidentally did something, but
Like, sir, am I audible to you? Because your voice is breaking. Am I audible to you?
I hear you fine. Do you hear me okay? Hello?
Yes, sir, your voice is breaking.
I hear you great. You sound great on my phone.
Okay, you do one. Yeah, you can hear me, but I can't hear you, sir, properly. That is the main thing.
Oh, okay. I hear you.
Now it's better, sir. Now you can hear me.
I hear you.
Okay. Can you do one thing, sir? Can you do one thing, sir? Can you just hang up the call? I'm calling you back from a better line because I can't hear you.
Let me.
So you do one thing. You hang up the call. I'm just calling you back. You just pick up the call.
While I'm typing something to you, I'd like you to answer it, please. Don't close that. I need to answer. Answer me. Why do you scam people? I know you can hear me just fine.
I am not getting you,
You
sir.
hear me just fine. Answer my question. Why do you scam people? Can you answer my question, please?